You know, when the sun is out, we have to go out. Can you guys see this? And obviously we are not in Switzerland if there are no cars around. Hi guys, welcome. So it is a Sunday. Oh guys, look, cars. Oh, I don't know if you guys could see that. Oh, it's like a Mercedes, old convertible Mercedes. So we are out and about again. You know, when the sun is out, we have to go out because this is actually, you know, the days that we've been waiting for. It's finally springing, guys. Like, it's finally springing. So today we are off to, I don't know the name of the place, but it's a waterfall. Yeah, it's a waterfall, but it's, I don't know the name of the place. I'll see it when I get there. So it's like an hour drive, so it's quite nice because then we're gonna enjoy the car and hopefully it's not a very long walk. So we're gonna spend the day at the, well, not at the waterfall, just walking to the waterfall, just enjoying the views, and yeah, so come along. Okay, so we had to stop here because it's like a viewing place, right? And guys, the views are absolutely amazing. You want to take a picture with the car? I know he's gonna take a picture with the car, but can you guys see this? I hope you guys can see it as well, but oh my word, it is so lovely. Baby's gonna take pictures. Are you taking pictures, love? Oh. Let's see. Yeah, the view's quite nice with the car. So we just found another viewing point, but it looks like some sort of, I don't know what's happening here because there's a lot of cars parked and it just overlooks the lake. And obviously we are not in Switzerland if there are no cars around, but yeah, there's like a lot of cars parked here. There's also a porta potty there, which is quite nice because then you have a loo place and more houses. Oh, can you guys see that person flying there? I am so jealous. Look at that person. Where's the other one with the red one, baby? There was another one with the red one somewhere as we were coming up. But anyways, let's see what baby was looking at there. Trust me, back home I wouldn't be walking. I wouldn't be walking on this because of potential animals. But yeah, it's broken. Or is it not? It is. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Oh, that person. Where's the person? I can't see the person in the camera. I can't see them in the camera. Anyways, oh, there's the other person, the red.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful weather and people are out. Where's the other one? Can I see if I can find? There's the other one. So they're quite close to each other. Anyways, woo, almost dropped my phone. That is so cool. So they're just flying from here. Ah, look at this.
Yeah.
They just...
If the wind, they go up.
Yeah. It's actually just flying from there. Oh, That is so cool. And then the wind actually takes them up, 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 up. Look at that one there, soaring like a bird. Oh, there he goes. Gone, 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 gone with the wind. Up, 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 up. Is it just one person on it? Yeah. Yeah, it's one person.
Nice.
But I'd be so scared of that, eh?
What is here?
Cabin in the woods. I'm sorry, but I'm not taking off my cap because it is very hot. Like hot that you need a cap. But anyways, we have arrived. So we haven't arrived at the waterfall, but we're at the parking. And we are basically gonna walk. It says it's like 500 meters from basically the waterfall. Bonjour. So yeah, let's take a walk. Which way? Straight or left? Probably straight. We can actually get in this water. Baby. It's so freezing. This honestly can't be it, baby. It's nice though. Just that the water's freakishly cold. There's no water. There's no water there. You wanna go that way? What's written? Cascade? Cascade is waterfall? Yeah. I should have known. I should have known. There's like caves as well. So you can actually upsail down. It's quite cool. But it doesn't say how much it is. So you can go, there's the rope there. And there's like caves. Okay, so we got to the top and honestly speaking, it's a bit underwhelming because, yeah, I was expecting like a grand, you know, those waterfalls I always see. Well, not always, but that you can see in other videos. But anyways, we are here. Oh, there's like a spider on the camera. So yeah, but anyways, we are here. What do you want to do? You want to go up? Huh? Take a picture.
Coming somebody.
So we actually have someone upsailing down. Still has all this way to come down. So yeah, he's actually made it. He's just enjoying the view. You can actually go in. You wanna go in? It's closed. No. Oh, it's actually big, hey? Babe doesn't want to come with me, guys. I want to go in. So because the waterfall It's basically so underwhelming. I need to start my outdoor walk. Anyways, let's go up the mountain. I'm leaving Babe behind because it's very fast and he walks faster than me, so I might as well, because it's gonna catch me and leave me behind. He's coming. Shouldn't have worn jeans, guys. I really shouldn't have worn jeans. See, I told you guys he's gonna catch up and pass me. He's already caught up with me. I told you guys he was gonna pass me. Look, he's just walking as if this is nothing and I'm dying. What is this? I hope the views are nice up there. So how did they come up with a bike here? We can choose to go this way or that way, baby. Which way you want to go? Huh? Huh?
On the bridge.
Still no clear views, but hey, we walk. Is this where they were coming down from? Yes, down there. There are the tiny views that we can see from here, which is quite nice. That's where we were at the bottom, and that tree is like falling. I just found a random bench that is just here. It would have been nice if it was actually, you sit here and you're like at a view. But let's go see if we can have a view from here. Yep. So it would be nice if the bench was situated here and we could just see the view. This is actually another trail, which I don't think we're gonna keep on doing because Baby's not wearing the right shoes. We didn't think that would be hiking, but yeah, we are. He's almost here, and this is nice. This is lovely. We just stopped in the middle of the road because we saw a fountain and we want to drink water. So Babe is drinking already. Oh, and it's cold, eh?
It's nice, it's very nice.
So these fountains is like fresh spring water. I'm walking barefoot and I'm burning on the tar. But anyway, it's fresh spring water. So yeah, the water, you can drink the water. So they have them like in the villages. I don't know about the towns and the cities, but in like the villages they have
150 Metern weiter geradeaus
these springs, these fountains. So the water's coming from the mountain, right? And then it's channeled. Yeah, then it's channeled here and then just goes back like that. Babe likes doing that, like just randomly killing me, my seatbelt. See, there's another one here. There's like fountains everywhere. They're just everywhere, which is quite nice because you get like fresh water. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's just when Baby does that. Oh, it's the lake again. Is it the same one? So just for a treat, we stop for an ice break. I want this one. I want this one. Do they have it?
Yeah.
Is it this one? Yeah.
You know, wait a moment, baby.
Yeah, I'm saying it's this. No, it's not that one. It's this one. Oh, I'm not sure if you guys can see how beautiful those buildings look over there, but look at that. They look so beautiful. Anyways, we are at a filling station and we just stopped for a little, no, I'm joking, not little, for filling up the car. And babe said we can get ice cream. No, well, he asked me if I wanted some ice cream. So he's going to pay for the fuel and get us some ice cream. Our day is almost over, but honestly, it's not over because we're still gonna go home and we are gonna have a barbecue because babe likes to barbecue every time he's home. He actually barbecues every day he's home. So yeah, but we've come to change cars. So we're getting the camper now. This is the everyday car, and we're putting back the cabrio. So we're putting back the cabrio because yeah, it's Sunday evening and we need to prepare for tomorrow's trip. Honestly, yeah, it's still very early because the sun sets around 9. Well, it's light until around 9. But yeah, but anyways, now we are changing cars. Let me show you guys actually. So that's babe getting the camper out, and that's the other baby there. I need to get that back, but anyways, today they've parked us in because these other cars there. But anyways, he knows how to drive, right? So yeah, we just changed cars now. We got the camper back. The cabrio is in there. It's a Sunday evening and we're done for the weekend because the cabrio is honestly just for having fun, you know, driving around when the sun is out, having the tough time. Babe is just okay. But anyway, so yeah, so now we got our normal car back and we are about to go home. We are about to go home and pack, and what else? So go home and pack, and we have a barbecue, a braai, a braai. Yeah, I don't know, like babe is just taking a picture of the cabrio. Anyways, so yeah, so it's been a fun day. So yeah, maybe I'll show you guys when we're having a barbecue. It's usually very simple. So yeah, let's drive home. Ooh. Actual fire. Okay guys, so yeah, so anyways, while babe is actually grilling for us, barbecuing for us, we built the pyramids. I actually packed his bag because he's going to work for 2 weeks in Romania. Yes, I know guys, I know it's a sad life, especially when he has to go. But anyways, his bags are packed, he's making dinner for us, and yeah, like, yeah, but anyways, I'll show you guys the final product. Is just dinner. Actually, it's just meat, bread, and salad. Oh my word, the meat looks so delicious. Oh, should have made the chicken as well. Then we've got bread because we're German in this house. We also have potato salad. Yay!